We just landed in Vilnius and we have 24 hours to the next flight.
And friends, we're gonna show you what you can do in Vilnius for 24 hours. What do you need, what tools do you need, and what actions you may take. Nah, fuck it.
Guys, I will show our gears.
And what you really need to survive in Vilnius, it's 2 penny boards, and no, we are not sponsored by penny boards, and 2 backpacks. Let's go!
First of all, we go to Ikea to eat something for lunch.
What we forgot to mention, you guys, that we have only 20 euros in our pocket.
If you wanna free coffee, you need to go Ikea.
Okay boys, so we're gonna show you what apps we're gonna use to travel around the Vilnius, and the first app we're gonna use is my good old friend, the TripAdvisor.
Yeah, also we use Google Maps.
And last but not least, we're gonna use our inner navigation and our skating skills. Thank you, man! And the last thing we're gonna use is our inner navigation, so keep it up, guys.
Now we go to straight Liepkalnis.
There is 4 kilometers from Ikea to Liepkalnis.
Second place, Liepkalnis.
Yeah, we managed to reach Liepkalnis, and look at this view. It's stunning, isn't it?
This is our third place.
The place we are visiting today, and it's a restaurant called Pig in Fog, or Keule ruke. It's a burger restaurant, and this drawing is quite nice, I think.
If you don't have skateboards,
As we do, you
Yeah.
can always borrow bicycles.
orange bicycles.
So what you can find in Old Town, everything you need, of course. Place to sleep, place to
Look at
visit,
this.
and place to eat, of course. But as we mentioned before, we have only 20 euros, 19 euros left, so we cannot afford us to eat in all these places. We offer Gates of Dawn. Well, this is just simple gates, but anyway, it looks great. We're just taking a quick rest in this stunning square.
You interesting what next? Vingis Park. And after that we go back to center.
Okay, I'm just gonna change my outfit and we are going to play some volleyball because we found 2 people which are willing to play with us.
If you don't know what to do after a volleyball match, you can try Sinano kebab.
Yeah, we finally decide where to eat and where to regenerate our strength because we are exhausted, so we're gonna try Sinano.
Yeah, and everyone say is best kebab in Lithuania. Let's go to try.
After taking kebabs, we're heading to Tauras Hill and we're gonna have dinner over here.
We found one more place. It's 8, I think, place. City Park. Nice. Oh shit, what's that?
That is Lithuania National Library. Stunning building, isn't it?
Yeah.
We could definitely state that the city is for happy people.
We're climbing to Three Crosses mountain. Oh shit. Nice view. If you see it, this is TV tower, this is Vingis castle, now it's closed. All down, and maybe you see it. On this mountain is shit. This is Liepkalnis.
We are entering Bernardinu Falls. Boys, we are back again, but we have one single problem. We are running out of battery, and because I forgot my power bank, we should find a place where we can charge our phones and our camera, and immediately after that we going to film again. Some other places, have no idea which ones, but we're gonna come back here. So okay guys, we have 1 a.m. in the morning and we're gonna spend the night in McDonald's. We're gonna try to spend the night here. We're gonna charge our phones and our camera. So see you soon tomorrow.
Yeah, until I think 4 or 5 morning.
Good morning guys, so we just spent last 10 euros to eat something. Our breakfast, I guess. This is our breakfast. I got chicken, mashed chicken, potatoes, cold soup, and some veggies. Augustus got...
I don't know how to in English.
How to call that, but anyway, it looked good and tastes good. So after it, we're going back to the airport and we moving out from Lithuania.
See you soon.